in the leash popcorn. This is my dog. Her name's Rusty, and we're going to show you how to make it into a stir fry. Evan, come here. Evan, come here. We have a mushroom. Be quiet. You might wake it. Alright, let's go.
Ah!
Over here, we have another mushroom. This one's called the doom shroom. Thank God it's unconscious now. Gonna do a little study on this baby. If you look in the crevice, yeah, there we go, just like that. You can see the microorganisms. Say it with me, Crash. Microorganisms.
Go.
Holy crap! Would you look at this? Look at this! It's a botanical legend. The elephant's foot. The elephant's foot is the most poisonous thing ever. They say here, if you ever hold one, you'll die within 30 minutes.
Eat it. Now that's a victory royale.